And then like a rocks of the thousand wind, it shines upon the wall, and the day has just
Hoy, labay niyo mga dyan sa kamilyo. Amo na tuklatan tayo pala.
Nagilingan.
Tuklatan tayo pala sa kamilyo.
Now you get a cake? And 18 candles. So as I call on your name, please come here to the debutant, and she will give you a souvenir. Starting with April Dumlan. Then now we have Miss Helen Grace Padayaw. Thank you for coming, everyone. Then we have Miss Angelica Pagala. Miss Angelica Pagala. Then we have Leslie Granada. Then we have Maria Angelica Libed. Then we have Miss Sheena Aisen Sulisipan. Sheena Aisen Sulisipan. Then after Miss Sheena Aisen Sulisipan, we have Miss Angelica Dizon, followed by Miss Angie May Ubias. Manglalan. Then may we have the girl in black and shoes in red. Miss Jeneline Gango. Then we have the floral dress. Charmaine Clemente. Then may we have the 18 roses. Mr. Reynaldo Ramos. Then we have Mr. Reddy Ramos, followed by Mark Jude Mariano. Then we have Mark Jude Mariano. After Mr. Mark Jude Mariano, we have Mr. Julius Lanag. Mr. Julius Lanag and Louis Lanag. This is for memory purposes. After the Lanag brothers, may we have Anthony Bolo and Allen Bolo. Now we have the solo flight, Jonel Gango, the foresight. Then after that, we have also solo flight from Ludovico Simpliciano Jr. Then after Mr. Ludovico Simpliciano Jr., we have Sian Mafiel Patriz. Finally, I pronounced your name correctly.
Oh, papi.
Sian Mafiel Patriz. Then we have Mr. Jordan Valdez. Mr. Jordan Valdez. Then after Mr. Jordan Valdez, we have Mr. John Louis Asuncion. And last but not the least, the apple of the eye of the debutante, the boyfriend, the loving, Mr. Charming Kenneth Alcamili. Sorry. Mr. Charlemagne Kenneth Alcamili. Smile, smile, smile.
No, sir.
Then, please guys, may we have bought the 18 roses and 18 candles together with your souvenirs to